Hello, my name's Craig Barton, and welcome to a series of videos designed to help you make the most out of my website, diagnosticquestions.com. In this video, we're going to take a look at how students might want to use the website to help them revise, prepare for exams, or just generally improve their subject knowledge. And there are three ways that I'm going to suggest that they can do this. The first of which is probably the most easy, and that's simply to browse through questions on the website on any topic they like and just try them out and view and benefit from explanations from students all around the world. So to do this, they simply need to click onto the questions tab and pick a topic that they fancy having a go at. So I'm going to go for scale factors because I'm a bit dodgy at these. Length, area and volume scale factors. Loads of questions on these ones. I wonder which one I fancy having a go at. What about this one down here? This looks quite nice. And bear in mind, I can do this on my mobile, my tablet, my laptop, wherever I want. These two shapes are similar. What is the area scale factor to get from there? To get from 4 to 12, well, you have to times by 3. So I'm going to go for that. I'm going to go for 4 times 3 equals 12. That sounds good to me. I'm going to check it. Wait a minute, that's told me I've got my answer wrong. That seems a bit strange. It's saying that the correct answer is A9. Now the problem is I've no idea why that's right, so that's not really helping me too much, but it is if I click on this. So if I click here, data and explanations, then I get explanations from students from all around the world who've got the question right. Area scale factor is equal to length scale factor squared. That makes sense. I'd forgotten that. I like that. If that explanation doesn't make sense to me, I've got more and more explanations I can read through until I find one that really hits home. So there's one way I can revise, and I can do that all day long, keep finding questions that I want to have a go at. The second way is to look back at some of the assignments that I've completed throughout the year. So if I go to my assignments tab and click on more, I'll get all my past results. So if I scroll down here, I can see, oh, what was going on here? Mr. Barton, Year 11 Quiz 1, I only got 6 out of 30 for that one, which wasn't very good. So I'm going to retry that. So again, exactly the same as before. I click start and I get presented with a quiz and I just work my way through and each time give my explanations, and at the end of it I can view my explanations for any questions I got wrong just as I did so with a question. So there's two ways, but I'm going to suggest a third way you might want to revise and I think's got a lot of potential. Because the more times you use the site, the more of a picture of your understanding that this website builds up. And in this My Subjects bit of your dashboard, if you click on more, what you can actually do is filter down different areas of mathematics, English, French, whatever it might be, into the topic areas that you might be struggling with. So for mathematics, I can see that I'm averaging 36% this particular student, but I wonder if I click on maths whether that's kind of consistent across all areas of maths. And indeed it isn't. Algebra, I'm only getting 29% on that. So let's click on algebra. And what this does is it shows me all the different topics of algebra that I've attempted, my scores on them, and then crucially, my most kind of misanswered questions. So this one here on expanding brackets seems to be causing me problems. So that might tell me that I need to revise some expanding brackets questions. So I could go back to questions and find expanding bracket questions. Or I can simply have a go at this question again myself if I like. So if I give this particular question a click, then up it comes. Now this actually takes me to the data page where I can view explanations. I might not be ready for that. I might want to actually have another go at the question itself. So if I just click it again, then I get to have a go at the question. I can say what I think the answer is. Maybe I think it's A. I'll give an explanation, something like x times 2. And something like minus 3 times 2, something like that. I'll get that checked, and then once again I can see I've still got a problem with this, but not a problem. I'll just view explanations from students all around the world. So you can use that facility to build up a picture of where your areas of weakness are specifically in different areas of topics, and then that can really help focus your revision. And the more and more questions you try, the more explanations you give, the better understanding you're going to get and the more practice you're going to get as well. So hopefully that'll help you prepare for whatever particular exam it is you might have in mind, or just generally to get better at the topics that you want to. I hope that was useful. If you're interested in any other particular areas of the site, just go to the About bit and the how-to videos and there'll be loads of guidance for you there. Take care and bye for now.